Hey everyone, how are we doing today? This is Liam Newman from Bubblehost, and today I'm going to be showing you how to migrate hosts. So I switch from one host to the other. So right now I've got a support host website, and I want to move this to Bubblehost. And I have two domains, so I've got the support host one, and I've also got prydev.xyz. And I'm going to transfer this entire website to the prydev.xyz website. Okay, so firstly, what you want to do is log into the control panel of which host you want to transfer from. So for me, it's going to be support host, and I'm going to go to clients and log in. And when that logs us in, we'll get to their dashboard. And from there, you can click log into cPanel. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to log into the control panel. And firstly, what we want to do is download all of the content of the website. So for example, the file manager and the database. So we're going to go to file manager, public_HTML, double click, and select everything. Select everything from here to the top, compress, zip archive, compress files. And when that's done, we're going to click close. We're going to rename this to website.zip, rename file, right click and download. That's currently downloading all of this content here. We can close the file manager now. And we also need to log into our WordPress admin. If you have WordPress, you'll need to do this. This is just an extra step. So if you are changing domains, what do you actually need to do? This is like for copying a website. If you're not going to copy the website and you're just literally going to move hosts, skip this step. Is you're going to change the WordPress address in settings general to the new domain. So for me, it's going to be prydev.xyz. Save changes. And that will redirect us, yes, to prydev.xyz. Awesome. Now we want to go to phpMyAdmin. It's similar across different hosts, but you will see phpMyAdmin and the file manager. And you want to go to whichever database it is. It will not be information_schema. You want to click export. So you want to select your database and then export, and then export. And I have already done this before. Okay, so both of these are done. We can log out of the support host control panel. And close support host. Now we're going to go to Bubblehost. So we're going to log in to the client area. And we are going to go to our starter web hosting package, prydev.xyz, log into cPanel, and now we're going to basically upload all of the content. And once again, I have done this before, so I'm just very quickly going to delete the old database. I forgot to do this. Okay, so once you're in the control panel, what you want to do is go to the file manager, public_HTML, and you want to delete anything that's in here, so it's just empty. Upload, select file, and you're going to select website.zip, or whatever you renamed it to. Okay, that's done. We can close it and reload. Click it, and you want to click on extract files. And this is very important. You also want to delete the zip file. So you want to click website.zip, delete, confirm. This prevents it so nobody can download your website. Okay, so now what we want to do is upload the database as well. But first, before we can do that, we don't have any databases. So we need to go to manage my databases in cPanel. And we're going to make one called site. Yep, that's done. Copy that name. Awesome. And we're going to make a new user called site. The password. Oh, copy. Yep, create user. Done. And now we want to scroll down again and assign the user to the database. All privileges, make changes. Done. Okay. Now if we go to phpMyAdmin, we will see the site. We want to click import, choose file, and import the SQL file that you downloaded. Now that that's done, we have one more step, and that is to go back into the file manager, public_HTML, find wp-config.php, and change database name and database user to the new database name and the database user that you copied, and the password as well that you copied. Done. Okay, so we're now going to refresh this and see if it worked. Awesome, look at that. It did work. So we've got this entire website copied over, which is awesome. It's just loading the image there. I have disabled cache on this website specifically, but you don't need to worry about that. So the images will be a bit clunky. I think I can actually re-enable cache. I might do that now, actually. Okay, everyone, I'm back and I've just enabled the cache. And we can see that if I click on a page, it loads mega fast. And that is due to the caching, which is awesome. And so our website is super speedy, and we don't have to worry about anything else. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to open a support ticket, or alternatively, if I have the live chat open, message me there, or alternatively, send me an email, or alternatively, send a comment in the YouTube video. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.